Hey, how y'all doing? I hope y'all having a great day, because I am too. We outside. We outside. I hope y'all liking the videos. The garden, pallet garden, the greenhouse. All right. Retaining wall. Yep. That's what we're doing today. You might say, why not finish one project completely, sir? But I say this needs to be done by the 24th. So, today's the 10th, 11th, the 10th. I'm gonna get started now in case I need more materials. I can go ahead and get it so that on the 24th, we're ready. So, without further ado, let me shovel out, tamp down, and get to work. Oh, but first, I need to start this thing up, charge up the battery, let it run for like 15-20 minutes. Keep the fluids going, you know? It's like an old man going to the gym, you know, twice a week. That's what we're gonna do. Let's see if we have power. We don't. There is something draining this damn battery, unless he didn't hook my damn battery back up. I gotta figure out what's draining my damn battery. This is getting ridiculous. Alright, well, we'll let this run for 15-20 minutes. By the way, you gotta head over to Garage Mods and Bills, the other channel. We gotta take this out, send it off to Atlanta, get it redone, and then I can start driving it daily. That video on the other channel, Garage Mods and Bills, coming up on this. It's kind of difficult to see that I already got the first two down. Gonna get them level, and there's gonna be probably 2 step downs before I get to where I need to be. First layer, then step down. Got to step down, run a curve. So now I'm gonna do this base all the way over, make sure it's level. Right now I'm compacting it, and you're gonna say, hey, why aren't you using weed barrier or plastic or something at the bottom? In time, I want this to look like part of the landscape, meaning if stuff grows out behind it, I'm fine with it. But I just need this area to be completely level, so when I'm cutting grass, I'm not going up and downhill, because that is what I cut grass with. There's 2 of them. Do I cut the whole plot with those? No. Somebody else comes and takes care of the back, but I do front yard and immediate backyard. From the pool fence area, the retaining wall back, somebody else will take care of, minus the garden area. I'm gonna take care of that. I don't want them cutting my plants down. Back to work I go. I stepped away from doing the retaining wall because I remember somebody's coming to clear this off, and I did not want them to destroy this. You can tell by the leaf, and I googled it, it's a muscadine wild grape. So I'm gonna try and save it. And the trees, well, the tree that I cut down from where you see all those bushes over there, I knew I was keeping this grape vine, so when I cut them down, I clean them off just for that purpose. What I'm gonna do is run trees, so that one is there, put another one here, another one over, and just have it run that way. But they were expensive.
Like a picture camera?
Yeah. They call them vlog cameras.
Oh. I'm turning into Humpty Dumpty. Oh yeah.
No lights? Okay, push the pedal all the way in. Hey, the one on the left. That's the last one? Okay, push it in. Turn the key. Thank you. I forgot to inform my viewers I was using Paver base to put the blocks down. My bad. But yeah, so far we are looking peachy. I'm gonna stop here because I need to install a wall mount for a TV. Hopefully it doesn't rain tonight because that's what's been stopping me this past month from doing this. Is it rains, this gets soaked, soft. I can't do anything with it. So it's been dry out the past 3 days. I think it stormed on Monday. Today Thursday, yeah. So, well, let me get inside and get this TV on. Got it? The other one. She just don't know when she gonna be driving that car. What? Okay, turn it off and take the key out. So she is trying to shovel into the wheelbarrow to go fill the back portion. Yes. I went fishing this morning and I hope you guys watched that video. It was so much fun. It was exciting. And came home and this is where me, her, and baby sister got it.
She's not a baby.
She's your baby sister. She's convinced me that she can do this herself, so I want to see. All right. Yeah, let me see you dump it. Oh. You got. Go ahead. Is that how you're gonna do it? You're supposed to grab the two handles and lift it up in the air. Yeah. There you go. Shake it. There you go. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have decided to end this video here. We will bring you back in another video and show you the completed filled in section along with sod to finish it off. Yes, grass.
Let's just call it grass then.
Because they understand sod. They don't understand how am I going to fill it in with grass. When we plant the grass seeds, it needs to be done for the 24th, remember? Yeah. But, so, we'll come back in another video and you see the completed thing. Gonna finish it here. Need to spread that. So we're gonna use that to fill in there. If you fall, I'm gonna laugh at you and then help you. And then we need to spread to this line right here. That dirt needs to come to this line right here. All right. So appreciate you all watching. As always, thank you so much. And please look out for merchandise for this channel. Help support. What?
Is merchandise?
Yes, shirts. And we'll have hats soon. And then soon after that, we'll have coffee mugs and drinking cups. And what?
Shoes.
And what?
Shoes.
Shoes. This channel doesn't make any money as yet. When we start making money, you want to design shoes for this channel?
Sure.
Sure. Okay. Hey, young and it's.
I made a design for a shirt.
Okay. So you think you can make a design for a shoe? Young and aspiring, we have to support them people. Don't crush their dreams. So, you guys tell me in the comments, what do you think about her idea? Shoes for the channel. So, say thank you for watching. See you next time.
Oh, thank you.
Come on. Come on. Say it. Say it. Say it. Say it.
I forgot what do you want me to say?
Say it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.
There, that wasn't so hard, was it? Was it? You and them blinking eyes. Bye, folks.